How to review visual search history on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review visual search history on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in top corner. Click on it and go down, click settings, and then click activity log, and here you will find look at actions and other activity. Click on it and go down, click visual search here, and as you see here you can review visual search history on Facebook Lite. It's easy of course. And now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.